Hello everyone, welcome to Supreme GIS. In this video, we will see how to create contours from DGPS data, which is in the form of text, or you can say that it is in the form of Excel sheet, which is comma separated values, CSV. So first we'll see the Excel sheet. This is point data in CSV. You can see these are the IDs. This column has got the elevation value. This is latitude and this is longitude of that point. By this, we will plot contours of that particular area. So, go to QGIS, go to layer, add delimited text layer. Browse your folder. This is the same file. Open. Rest is okay. CSV. Check this point. Then X field we put longitude and Y field we put latitude. Z elevation. You have to keep geometry CRS coordinate reference system EPSG 4326 WGS 84. This you have to keep. Add and close. See, these points are added here now. By clicking on this I, you can check the value of each point. ID, number, elevation and latitude, longitude of that particular point. So by this point data, first we will create a DEM, digital elevation model. For this we have to generate a raster. So which interpolates the missing areas which doesn't have the elevation. So we are using IDW weightage method, that is inverse distance weightage method. So go to the processing toolbox and click on IDW IDW, and you will get the first option. Click on that. Taken GPS points, interpolation attribute. It is elevation value in this column. We have add all these. Rest all is okay. Then extend, you have to select by which extent you want to create the DEM. So we'll take GPS points, or we want to cover all the points, so we'll take this as an option. Then we will select the pixel size. Here it is in the degree, so we'll keep it 30 meter by 30 meter pixel size. We have to create a DEM for that, so we will keep it 0.003 and then run. Click on run. It will take a while to complete the process. See, the process has been completed now. Close. See, all the points are covered and we have created a, I'm just putting off this GPS point layer, and this is interpolated. What we can do now, you can check the area which haven't got the elevation. We'll see the elevation value. Now we have to create contours from this DEM. Go to the raster, click on extraction and click on contour. Input layer is interpolated. DEM. Interval you can choose 5 meter, 2 meter, Right now I'm taking 5 meter interval, and rest all is okay. Those, see, in these contours are has been generated. Now what you can do, you can put on this layer and you can put on the labels to this GPS points. Click on this properties and click on labels, single label, ID is elevation, apply, and okay. See, now you can check it from here. Like this point is 502 meter inter above mean sea level. And what is the value of this point? This contour is 500. This is 495. This is 490. This is 485. So you can see that how we have interpolated and we have created these contour from text to to point to raster, and then raster to vector. I hope this helps. Please like, share, and subscribe. Supreme GIS. Thank you.